All right. So before we move forward, I would like to know about you. So could you
Sure,
just please introduce yourself?
exactly. In fact, my name is Vipin Singh Rajput, and I'm just talking to you from New Delhi, India. And in these days, I've been pursuing BA, Bachelor of Arts from Delhi University. And side by side, I'm also enhancing my communication skill, which is crucial for me. And this is what I've been doing in these days. Now it's your turn, and you should let me know something about yourself.
Yeah, sure. As you know, my name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj, and I'm calling you from Ghaziabad. Actually, like it is next
Okay,
to Delhi. So as far as my profession is concerned, I am working as a web developer. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like to play chess, and I do have a YouTube channel and where I upload conversational videos over there. So this is pretty much about me. Thanks.
okay, that's great. That's wonderful, I would say. Okay, so could you just let me know one thing that, how did you make the decision and why did you make the decision that I should have also created my own YouTube channel? Why, Ravi?
So actually, I have created my YouTube channel a long back, like 2 years ago. I created my YouTube channel. So at that time, I didn't have anyone to talk with, right? I didn't have
Okay,
even any partner, right? So I just wanted to reach out to the people so that I can have conversation with them. So that was the only reason that I wanted to create this channel. And apart from that, I got to know that I can analyze myself, right? I can assess myself, like I can track my like journey, like how
mm,
I am doing, at what level I am. So I can assess all these things. So this is also a benefit, and it basically helped me a lot. So yeah, this is why I created my YouTube channel, and I have not been consistent lately actually. So I am thinking of restarting my YouTube channel now. So
okay,
you are.
that's a
Yeah.
wonderful, I would say. Okay, so in fact, how many subscribers you have got so far?
So far, I've got like around 700 subscribers. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
that's amazing because if I speak honestly about you, that it's your starting journey, and I hope that definitely you will grow
yeah,
with the
sure.
passage of time.
Yeah, actually, I abandoned my YouTube channel 1 year ago. I
Mm,
stopped uploading videos over there, so that's why my subscribers and views are stagnant. And actually, I don't care much about views and subscriber. What I care about is how can I reach out to the people, and how
okay,
can I
but
enhance myself. This is the only reason and the only purpose that I've created my YouTube channel for. Yeah.
all right, it's okay by the way. But here I'm gonna make a suggestion to you right away, and you should be consistent towards your YouTube channel and whatever is being done by you in these days, no doubt. But at least you should have consistency, right?
Yeah, sure. That's why I am having conversation with you. Like
Okay,
just to maintain my consistency. And this is going to be a first video after so many months that I'm gonna
okay,
upload on my YouTube channel, like conversational videos. And I
hmm,
tried uploading, solo videos, but that didn't work out well, and that didn't get much views, and that didn't reach out to the people. And my only motive is to reach out to the people so that I can connect with them. This is the only reason I'm working and uploading my videos for. That's it.
Exactly. I do agree with your statement and whatever it was said by you. By the way, now it's your turn. And if you have got any question, if you've got anything to ask me, so I'm just completely over here to reply you because I've already asked you.
Yeah, sure. So how long have you been on this group? That's my question.
Group. Actually, if I speak honestly about this group, and couple of days ago, her name is Anjana ma'am, and she joined me in that app. So
Sure.
as you know, it's a Sunday today. So today I'm off. So that is why I texted you and I
Mhm.
thought that and you I should join. I must join right now. So as you can see that I'm just here on this platform.
Yeah, great. And actually, she joined me as well. And I'm
Hmm,
so grateful to her that she joined me because I was struggling to find out the people. And I
exactly.
didn't, yeah, especially YouTubers with whom I can,
Hmm,
have conversations so that I,
right.
I can upload videos. But now I have planned to restart my journey. And so I would be need to, the YouTubers to upload the videos with. So yeah, that's great. Like,
Exactly. Same thing is gonna be applied at me, because I kept on thinking in my mind that actually from where I should connect with the people. But I would say that be grateful that she joined me in that group.
Yeah,
So that is why I came to know that there are a lot of people. There are a lot of people, and they have good curiosity to connect with the different people, because I love and I adore to have an interaction with different people, because I just try to share my experience, and I just get so many things by the people, and how do they how do they do in a day, like what kind of activities are being done by them, and how did they start. So this is what I'm getting by the people.
yeah, great. That's great actually. And you know what? Like I was when I stopped having conversations, like video conversations, and now I'm having a conversation with you. Like it is a different kind of feeling, right? You feel a little fumbled. You'll feel little nervous actually because you are
Yes.
having conversation after very long time. Like if especially video conversation. So it is getting tough for me, but I would overcome it. You know,
Hmm.
it's not a problem at all. And the one thing is that like you are speaking very well. Like, how did you learn this language? Could you just brief
Okay.
me about that? Yeah,
Okay. So that first time, thanks for this compliment. But if I would say about me that I don't seem to have this kind of accuracy and fluency, but with the passage of time, definitely I'll get it.
yeah. Now I'm saying like, how did you learn it? You are speaking very well.
Actually, this is all about social media, and whenever I get free time, so I just try to connect with the people, some foreigners, and they are from out of India, by the way. And her name is Anjana ma'am, and she has already made a decision to me that you should do this thing and you should do this thing. So this is what I've been following.
Great. That's great. Nice. Right.
Okay, so in fact, how's your rigorous daily routine? What do you do in a whole day?
My whole day is like dull, monotonous actually, because
Hmm.
this is just a repetitive schedule of mine. Like I wake up, I get fresh, I have my breakfast, I leave my home for for my job, and then I
Okay.
work over there. I get home, I have my dinner, I use phone a little bit, and then I go to
Hmm.
sleep. And the next day I follow the same thing. So it goes on for like entire week, and now it is Sunday, and I finally made a decision to restart my YouTube channel because uh, I just want to do something personally for me, right? Yeah, that is it.
Okay, that's amazing, I would say, because everyone has got the rigorous daily routine as they are following in these days. So mostly whenever you get free time, whenever you get leisure time, and how do you consume your time, and how do you spend, and what do you
How
do in
do I
your free
spend?
times?
Okay, in my free time, I love to like as I just mentioned, like one of my
Hmm.
hobbies is to play chess. So this is the one thing that I
Okay,
do usually do, and the another is like I watch chess related videos, content on YouTube, and like series and movies in English.
okay,
This is all I do. Yeah.
okay. So would you mind to let me know that what kind of movies are watched by you, like related of English content and web series? What kind of movies do you watch?
Sure, I can let you know. Like there are a couple of movie series that
Hmm.
I finished. And have you
Okay.
ever heard of Breaking Bad?
Breaking Bad. No, actually, I'm just hearing this movie name for the first time. I have no idea. You should exaggerate.
Actually, it's not a movie; it's a series, and it is a very
Okay.
well series, I would say. And another is Dark. If you have heard about it, is Stranger Things.
Yes, exactly.
That
I've already heard
I'm
this movie name. Yes. Yeah, this the series
I'm
name.
currently watching. So yeah, there are so many series that I finished so far, and movies as well. So yeah, I love to watch animated videos, animations, like I mean
Hmm.
animals. So yeah,
That's that's amazing.
and like all I do is just watch English content whenever I get free time. I do not watch Hindi content at all. Like because I don't like to watch them because there is nothing to watch in there. This is personally I
Exactly.
feel. But
So I
if you see
so I
that
would
like
say.
Mhm.
I would say that in these days we have been working for your communication skills. So that is why you stop, you have already stopped and you just try to avoid to watch some Hindi content. So that is why when
Yeah,
it comes to speaking and when it comes to listening, so that is why you have already made a decision yourself that I'm supposed to consume some English content so that I could enhance my communication skills in a day's time. So that's amazing, by the way, whatever
you are
you are doing.
absolutely right. Mm. You're absolutely right. Actually, not a single day went by when I didn't watch English related content. I mean, I
Hmm.
every day watch something or
Okay.
other. Yeah, I always watch. Yes.
Okay. So as far as I know that it's a Sunday today, and how's your routine and what do you do
I'm not gonna do anything.
every every Sunday?
Like every Sunday, I don't do anything because this is the day when I have to recover. This is
Okay.
for my recovery actually, because for
All right.
6 days I commute, I travel, and my entire week goes like this. Like it is really pathetic, and this is the day when I can charge up myself. I just lie down
Hmm.
on my bed. I talk to the people. I watch English related content and all that. So
Okay.
yeah, this is all I do, and
Hmm.
I do not plan anything like I have to go outside, hang out with my friends and all that. I don't do that. I do it occasionally, but usually on Sundays I don't do that.
Okay, that's amazing. So because you just want to get relax your mind and
Yeah,
whatever you have learnt, so you need to just give you need to just give little bit time to yourself to recall so many things
yeah,
while
yeah,
laying on the
absolutely.
bed and while talking to the different people. So I would say that that's amazing, and that day is not far away when you'll get phenomenal success on your English, no doubt,
Thank
uh
you very much.
because you have got this much curiosity to do this kind of things.
Yeah, thank you very much, brother.
Exactly.
So
Okay, so
are you planning to start your YouTube channel?
what?
Are you planning to start your YouTube channel, like create YouTube channel?
No, actually, I've already started.
So you already started.
Yes,
Great.
exactly. I've already started and it has been completed 1 year.
1 year since 1 year you have been uploading videos on YouTube. Great. So
Exactly.
yeah, you can send me your channel link. I will definitely gonna subscribe it.
Sure, why not? Because same thing is gonna be applied at me, and a lot of people are facing this problem and they are unable to be consistent towards their goal, right?
Right.
So
So
actually, in these days, I've been following my rigorous daily routine, and I do not have sufficient and adequate time to give, especially for my YouTube channel. So sometimes I just upload videos, and sometimes I just avoid. But I'm just trying to be consistent.
yeah, that's great that you are maintaining your consistency, right? And I've got one more questions. That
Sure.
is, yeah. Apart from this group, are you in any other group like where you can get your partner, like English partner, people to talk with? Is there any other group you are in?
No, actually, if I would say about group, and I do not have any kind of group apart from additionally this group, but I just try to use some applications. Like the first application name is Peer application, and the another is CV application. So whenever I get free time, and I just try to have a session and interaction with the different people on this application. So this is what I'm doing, and apart from that, I do not have any kind of group.
Actually, I've got these two applications already installed in my mobile. So yeah, I also talk.
Okay.
Whenever I feel like I have to have audio conversation, I go with these applications. Yeah.
Okay, that's amazing and that's wonderful. And I'm gonna say one thing that whatever is being done by you, and you should be consistent towards your goal. Whether it could be anything, it doesn't mean that actually you seem to be learning English. So that is why you should be diligent and you should be consistent towards your goal. It could be any kind of work, whatever you are doing in these days, because consistency, it tries to play a good role in everyone's life, no doubt,
Yeah.
because I've already observed this thing, and one of them I'm also victim for this.
You are absolutely right. I agree with you. I agree with
Hmm.
you. Fully. All right, then. Yeah, you've got any questions to ask? Otherwise, we can wrap it up over here.
Sure, why not? Actually, we need to just call it a day because
Yeah,
whatever I
sure.
had, and I've already asked you, and I would say that first and foremost, last thing that actually whatever I had, I have already asked you, and it was such a wonderful and amazing interaction with you. I hope that I'll try to join you later on, and have a nice
Sure.
day.
And yeah, thank you for having conversation. And you speak really well. Just maintain your consistency, and you would, yeah, you would be a really good speaker. I would say. So thank you.
Okay,
Have a nice day. Bye.
all right.